Although a supply chain may appear to the outsider as just a collection of entities doing business with each other, the truth is that a tremendous amount of work goes into making a supply chain efficient. Some of the key drivers for a successful supply chain are collaboration with strategic partners and using technology to manage and share data. Without the use of technology to keep track of the inventory across the supply chain, plan and schedule demand and supply, manage transportation and deliveries, supply chains would not be able to meet the ultimate goal, which is to supply the customer what they want and when they want it. Finished products and raw materials are at the heart of any supply chain, which is why a lot of attention and skills are needed to ensure that the right amount is available and at the right time. A solid groundwork needs to be in place, which provides guidance to the team on policy and procedures which need to be followed. Supporting standard operating procedures, or SOPs, are performance measurements. Without measuring the performance of a process or people, improvement cannot be made, and the risk of having too much inventory, not meeting delivery expectations, delays in production can result. Because inventory is such an important part of the supply chain, the cost of inventory gets a lot of attention. Inventory costs can be calculated at any time because of sophisticated warehouse management systems, or WMSs. This cost is reflected in the balance sheet of the company and is under constant scrutiny of the financial controllers and the shareholders. Everyone in the business who's involved with inventory has a part to play in accuracy, reducing stock holdings and lead times, keeping inventory safe, and managing relationships. The procurement function has a big input into the supply chain, and they are responsible for building strategic partnerships with suppliers and negotiating deals which benefit the business. The distribution team will ensure that their network of warehouses and distribution centers are placed in the right places to speed up delivery to the customers. Also part of the responsibility of the distribution team is the accurate delivery of goods using the correct handling material and safety protocols if transporting hazardous substances such as chemicals. But at the end of the day, it all comes back to pleasing the customer. To produce the perfect order is what every distributor strives for: the right goods at the right time, in the right quantity and condition, to the right place. To achieve this, back orders need to become a thing of the past, and accuracy of inventory records and accurate picking are crucial. All stakeholders need to be on the same page: the sales team, the manufacturing team, the warehouse team, the distribution team, including any third-party providers. To achieve customer satisfaction and delight, it all needs to start with a good strategy and business plan. The business plan will determine the market where the business wants to grow over the next few years and which relationships will be most crucial to meet the plan. This translates to demand and understanding where the demand will come from and how to plan for this. Sales and operation planning, or S&OP, is an excellent mechanism to get all functions in the business to talk to each other about what the impact will be on the business to meet the demand plans. Forecasting techniques are used to plan ahead, but a forecast must be monitored against the actual sales to prevent over or under ordering. The forecast, combined with the actual orders from customers, becomes the plan that production uses for manufacturing finished goods. So if this is not accurate, it can lead to all sorts of wastages. These wastes can be a waste of time, a waste of inventory, a waste of cash flow, a waste of storage space. You get the idea. The factory will schedule their resources. Resources include machines, tools, people, etc., to manufacture according to the demand. And then there is the quality of the product. Quality is such a big issue. that every person must be made responsible for the work that they do. This concept is known as quality at the source. But it all comes back to measurement. Without measuring every activity and every process, it is not possible to know where things have gone wrong. An efficient supply chain looks at the bigger picture. Everyone is responsible for the part that they play in delivering quality products on time, every time. This course is available as an interactive e-learning course, allowing you to study in your own time, and is fully endorsed by SAPEX, whilst earning your credits towards a full qualification.